Hey, what's up, guys? So today I took actually quite a lot of tickers. This is a combination of both my options trade and also my day trade. So let's go over my day trade first. So BABA, it popped today. Two on the short side, added to it on the drop. I got out just because it looks like it was coming up strong. And then at the level, I added back in, took the short at around up here at 116. I added to the position again because this was a strong level over the last couple of days. If you guys were watching, you know that I played BABA and all the other commune stocks quite a lot of the last couple of weeks. So I have a pretty good feeling for where it's where the strong levels of support and resistance, and 116 was one of those. So as you can see, I took it on the short side. Kind of did a double top and then they collapsed. So this is where I got all out. I'm still a bit on this one. I'm still a bit over the price for the short. So I covered at a small loss for BABA. So I took a hit there. So that was my trade on BABA. I had one of my stocks get assigned. So I had a put option. So last week it got assigned to me. So it got assigned at around $70-ish, I think. And then on the pop here, I saw on the 5-minute, this is a level, a daily level. So I just got out of PayPal because I didn't really want to hold the stock. I really wanted to just get the premium on the put. But I selectively took a put at a key level. So if we were looking at the daily level, in the 70 levels around here, there's a huge level of support, and so that's why I felt comfortable taking the put, holding it, getting it assigned, and then now getting out. So that's my trade on PayPal. And then I also traded JD. So JD, if I held longer, that would have been good. I didn't expect this move all the way down at this time frame to go down to 62.40. But anyway, I just did scalps on it. So every time it pushed up to this level of resistance, I took it on the short side. It dropped. It was level 2 was not favorable. It was just chopping around, so I got out. So I quick scalp, popped up again, took it on the short side, and then I decided not to mess with the stock. And right after that, it started to collapse. But I was scalping PDD, so scalping JD, so I did get a couple of good runs on that. PDD, I took it on the short side. It hit this level, held it, so I got a small amount, quick scalp here, scalp some more here, and then I added to my position. This is not really a good trade. I'm not too proud of this one, but on the daily level, it holds pretty well because in the past, this is sort of where it ran up to and then dropped. So you can see when it dropped, I got all out at around 64. So this is probably the worst trade I had today in terms of being fundamentally sound. The best trade of today where I was fundamentally sound was DDOG. So DDOG popped up, held this level on the 1 minute. You can see it just struggled around here. This is a pretty big gap up. And so I took it on the short side. On the drop close to VWAP, it actually hit VWAP. I scaled out, so I took off my position here, and then it ran up a little past this level, so I thought it was going to come back down, so I took it on the short side, and then when it held a bit, I added to it, and then I added to it some more on its way up. I actually had a level up here at 111, just in case it did go all the way up here. That didn't happen, so on the way back down to VWAP, again, I took off my entire position. This was a hotkey mistake here, so it was accidentally over-covered, but that's a hotkey mistake. So that's it. Those are my trades for today. It did really well. Exited all my options. I'm gonna look to see which direction the market runs, and then I'll probably get back in on some options later this week. Anyway, I hope you guys do well, and I hope you have a good start to the week. All right, peace out.